Good morning, students. Let's solve some language problems of the chapter AP. Question number 1. In a stone race, a container is placed at the starting point, which is 8 meters from the first stone, and other stones are placed 5 meters apart in a straight line. There are 15 stones in the line. A competitor starts from the container, picks up the nearest stone, comes back with it, drop it in the container, runs back to pick up the next stone, runs to the container and dropped it in, and he continues in the same way until all the stones are in the container. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? We have to find a total distance, student. So we have to find first the distance covered to put stone one by one in the container. So suppose this is a container. First stone is placed at a distance of 8 meters and other stones are placed at a distance of 5 meters from other, and there are total 15 stones, student. So distance covered to put first stone in the container. So completer start from the container, student. Then first he runs to pick first stone 8 meter distance and comes back to the container to drop it in the container 8 into plus 8 means 8 into 2. So 8 into 2 equal to 16 meter distance covered by completer to drop first stone in the container. Now students, for second stone he will cover 8 plus 5 meter and comes back to the container, means it's twice. So that's why distance covered in to put second stone in the container 8 plus 5 into 2 equal to 26 meter. Similarly, distance covered to put third stone in the container 8 plus 5 into 2 equal to 36 meter. Now students, check the sequence of distance covered. For first stone 16 meter, second 26 meter, third 36 meter. So you can see the difference is 10. It means it is an AP. So A equal to 16 student first term, D 26 minus 16 10 meter, and there are 15 stone student, N equal to 15. We have to find out total distance means SN. SN equal to N upon 2, 2A plus N minus 1D, 15 upon 2, 2 into A value 16 plus N value 15, 15 minus 1, D value 10. Now students, do the calculation. 15 upon 2, 16 to the 32, 15 minus 1, 14, 14 into 10. So 14 into 10 is 140 student, 140 plus 32, 172, and 172 is divided by 2, answer is 86. 15 into 86 students, as 15 equals to 1290 meter. So total distance covered or putting all the stones in the bucket or container is 1290 meter. Okay students. Now take other questions, other language problem, student. 140 rose plants are arranged in some flower beds. In first flower bed there are 23 rose plants, 21 in other second row, 19 in third row, and so on. How many rows of flower beds are there? And how many rose plants are in the last row? So students, first write the sequence. In first row 23, then 21, then 19, and so on. So you can check the difference. It is minus 2, 21 minus 23 minus 2, 19 minus 21 minus 2. So it is NAP. A equals to 23, D equals to minus 2, and SN total rose plants are given to us 140. Now students, we have to find N. How many rows are there of flower bed? Sn equals to 140 student, and we have to find out 2, A value 23, N we have to find out, N minus 1, D value minus 2, 46 minus 2N plus 2, when we open the bracket, 46 plus 2, 48 minus 2N. Now student 2 is common, 2 to cancel, 140 equals to, let us open the bracket, 24n minus n square. Now n square and plus 24n will be transpose this side. N square minus 24n plus 140 equals to 0. 14, 10 ja 140 student. We need minus 24. So factors are minus 14 minus 10. So n square minus 14n minus 10n plus 140. N common, n minus 14. Minus 10 is common, n minus 14. N minus 14, n minus 10 equal to 0. N minus 14 equal to 0, n equals to 14. N minus 10 equal to 0, n equal to 10. So two answers are coming. Which is correct, student? How many rows are there? So for checking the number of rows, let us find out how many rose plants are there in the last row. So we are going to find out A14. A14 can be written as A plus 13D, A value 23 plus 13, D value minus 2 student, 23 minus 26 minus 3, which is not possible because minus 3 cannot be the value of number of rose plants. Now students, n equals to 10 also. Let us find out 10th term. A10 equals to A plus 90. 23 plus 9 into 2 minus 2. 23 minus 18 equals to 5. So 5 rose plants will be there in the last row. It means number of, there are 10 rows of flower beds and number of rose plants in last row equals to 5. Okay students, have a nice day.